Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing our makeup while talking about manifestation. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you grab a snack and keep watching.
If you haven't subscribed, then what are you doing?
If you've ever wanted to turn your dreams into reality, this is for you. So grab your makeup and let's get right into it. As I start with my primer, let's talk about what manifestation actually is. It's the practice of bringing your desires into your life through belief, positive thinking, and aligned action. It's not just about wishing for something. It's about believing that it's already yours. Filling in my brows with my Benefit Precisely Give Me Brow Pencil. This one is in the shade number 5. One of the biggest keys to manifestation is visualization. When you're applying your makeup, you can actually use this time to visualize your dream life. Imagine how you would feel if you already had what you wanted. Close your eyes for a second and picture it while I blend my color corrector. Now moving on to foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Skin Tint. This is so good. It covers everything and it just looks like skin. Just like we're creating a smooth base for our makeup, we need a solid mindset foundation. Doubt and negativity create cracks in your manifestation. So replace those limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts. Instead of saying, I don't think I can, say I am capable and I do deserve this. What we tell ourselves matters so much. Let me know in the comments below your favorite affirmation to use. Now let's brighten up with concealer. Just like we're covering dark circles, we need to cover self-doubt. The universe reflects our energy. So if we want abundance, we have to believe we're worthy of it. I've gone ahead and concealed with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, 35N. I'm going to set my concealer with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. One great way you can bring your manifestation into real life is scripting, which basically means to write down your desires as if you already have them. Try journaling. For example, I'm so grateful for my dream job, or I am living my best life. Feel the emotions as if they're real. Now I'm going in with the Morphe 35O palette. Dipping into the shade Sighting, and I'm just going to use this all over my crease. You can feel free to skip the eyeshadow if you're going for a very minimal look. But I am planning to keep this really simple, just 1 or 2 shades. Applying the same shade on the other eye. I'm dipping into the shade Spell It Out, just patting that ever so gently on my eyelid. And using the brush I used earlier, I'm just blending the two together. Eyeliner requires focus, and so does your manifestation. You have to stay clear on your vision, even if things get messy at first. Going in with my Maybelline Firework mascara, I'm just doing a few coats on each of my lashes. Going in with my MAC Cosmetics blush in the shade Warm Soul. Blush adds warmth and so does high vibe energy. Get excited about your dreams. The universe responds to emotion, so the more joy you feel now, the faster you attract your desires. For bronzer, I'm using an angled brush and my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Bronzer adds depth. Just like self-belief deepens manifestation. Believe in your worth, your power, and your ability to create a beautiful life. I'm going to highlight with my Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Enlighten. Highlighter makes us glow, just like our confidence. Speak your dreams into existence. Talk about them as if they're already happening. For lips, choose a shade that makes you feel powerful. I'm going in with the Makeup Forever lip liner in Anywhere Caffeine, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Lip Velvet in Crush. Words are spells. Speak life into existence. Say, my success is inevitable and opportunities flow to me easily. Setting spray locks in your makeup and taking action locks in your manifestation. So let's go ahead and set our face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Is great, but aligned action is what makes things happen. I feel my makeup looks incomplete without black eyeliner in my waterline, so I'm just adding that. Mine is in Vasanti Cosmetics, and this one is super long lasting, so I highly recommend. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my previous video that talks about affordable lip liners. That's it, our manifestation makeup look is complete. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and comment below what you're manifesting right now. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and mindset content. Love you all and see you in the next video.